Okay, hello everybody. Okay, I'm coming back with a little update on my Mini Z bumper. This is actually a wrong sent from the CNC company. They sent me this green FR4 and this is going to be in black in FRP, but that is what I have at the moment, so I'm going to use this in order to do prototyping and testing. The other thing that I do not have yet is the correct size brass poles that go underneath here. The one I have right now are 10 mil, I need 8 mil poles, so those are a little bit too long, but for the purpose of demonstration this is going to work just fine. So this is what the set is going to look like. There's going to be a body post, there's going to be an upper deck and a lower deck, and then there's going to be the foam part of the bumper. So there's going to be a lot of different configuration you can run it into. This is a sliding plate, so depending on the car that you're using you can or not push the bumper all the way onto the front bulkhead over there, and then once the correct poles are inside, you can squeeze the foam, and then this will hold it in place. Once it's all the way at the back, you have the choice to mount the body posts on the far side over there, or here, or in the middle. If you want to utilize all the different mounting positions, you have to use the bumper without the upper deck. So let's take out the upper deck. I'm going to show you. It's simply remove 3 M2 screws from underneath here. So this is, I've designed that to have something really versatile and to have as many different settings as possible with it. So it is not something that is set in a specific way. This is without the upper plate, of course, and now if you were to put 2 brass poles over there with the washers that's going to come with it as well, you can put the body post absolutely where you want over there inside. You're just losing the final bits of strength. Honestly, I mean this is not going to be a bending part, but nevertheless, so you could just use the brass poles and the washers and stuck the foam this way, because those holes are actually, you see, everything else is a slot. Those are actually circular holes, so those holds the foam perfectly in place. With the others, you always are able to move the foam back and forth, and because the poles are going to be a little bit shorter than the foam, you're going to be able to squeeze it and hold it into place this way without having to use double-sided tape. And then when you have just the plates like that, then of course you can put any amount of body post anywhere you want, a central one, 2, this is the furthest you can put them, and then you can see the hex hardware underneath over there. It is mounting on the very typical Kyosho style body mount in the front. So here it is. I'm gonna still do some testing with this. It's not going to tell me a lot about the durability because the material is different, but at least I'm gonna be able to play with the mounting the bodies in different positions and so on. And at the moment, while I'm waiting for the poles, I'm just gonna Dremel those a few mil down, and so I'll have the heights that I'm looking for. So anyway, this is the first look at the bumper set that will come out, so not so soon anymore, a little bit later, for the 128 Mini Z cars. Alright, on that note, stay safe everyone, bye bye.